Welcome back to Bone Slicers Unreal Tournament 3 video tutorials. And yesterday we had imported some materials and we started to make our water material. Uh, and what we need to know here is I wanted to show you this because this is what I did. I didn't finish on the materials yesterday. So when I closed out my editor, only the material I used on the static mesh and my map was still there. The other materials go away, and this happens because if you don't have them in use, they will not store them. So that's the reason for creating the folder on the desktop that we did in the first tutorial. So what we have to do now is go to File and go to Import and go to the desktop where our folder is for our outdoor water tutorial, wherever you might have it at the time. And mine is outdoor water, and you just have to re-import. So I'm going to re-import dots, create material, and this is a material and my package, just like we did the first tutorial. Okay, I'm doing this over. Okay, then we go to the next one, import. We're going to skip over reflection. We're not going to use that. Go to sky reflection, open, create material. We're creating material just like we did in the first tutorial. Material only. Import, waves, create material, and you'll have to do this every time for whatever materials you didn't use. You'll have to just re-import everything and then build all and save, because we never know how far along we're going to be. Okay, now that we've done that, just so I'll start fresh on a new tutorial and we have everything imported, one thing you're going to do is click on my package here, because you see the actual materials not showing up. So you click my package up on the left bottom and click File at top and Save, and click Yes, and that will update all your materials. Now you can see everything, what it's supposed to actually look like. Okay, so now that once we've done that, this is going to conclude this tutorial, and we'll start fresh. Matter of fact, we'll go ahead and open up our editor first. Let's go down to our water normal map where we left off in the first tutorial and double click it. Now, just to let you know that if you want to actually learn why I'm doing everything I'm doing, you can go to Horns' website, the same place you download the materials, and look at the PDF, because I'm not going to explain why I'm doing everything. I'm just giving you a visual. I'm just going to drag, drop, and connect and show you everything I'm doing so you can get the basic idea of how to actually do this. And I'm not going to go into detail explaining everything. I will tell you why I name some things the way I name them. That will be different from his, but not much different. I'm just separating my groups, like AG for A group, BG for B group, CG for G, and so on. I'll do it that way. But you'll get the general idea. You'll be able to visually see what he's actually explaining in his PDF files and what I'm doing with my video. Okay, so that will conclude this tutorial.